students, welcome to my channel. In my today's class, I will continue rational numbers. In previous class, we have seen that the properties they are commutativity, associativity, we have seen for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Today, we are seeing some more properties, they are useful, that is the role of zero, very important. The role of zero. See, when we add 0 to a whole number, what happens? See, 2 is a whole number, 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay? Then, integer, minus 5 is an integer, minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5. This is integer. Here, sum of whole number and 0. This is what? Sum of whole number plus 0. Here, integer plus 0. Now, we will take one rational number now. Minus 2 by 7 plus 0 is minus 2 by 7 only. Here, a rational number plus 0. When we add to 0 to the whole number, we get the whole number. When we add 0 to the integer, we get an integer only, again same integer. We add 0 to a rational number, we get the same rational number. Then, what does it mean? The role of 0 is nothing but here, 0 is called as, 0 is called as, very very important, called as the identity for the identity for the addition of rational numbers. The addition of rational numbers. Okay. So, it is the additive identity for integers and whole numbers. So, this is one additive identity. Additive identity. This 0 is called as 0 is called as additive identity. Additive identity for both whole numbers and integers. That means whenever we add 0 to whole number, integers, rational numbers, again we get the same number. This is what the role of 0. The same way we will see the role of 1. The role of 1. We will see the role of 1. Again same. Suppose we take one whole number into 1. Again we will get the whole number. Then we will take an integer, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. Suppose we will take one rational number, minus 2 by 7 into 1 is minus 2 by 7 only. See here, whenever we multiply 1 with a whole number, again the whole number, multiply with an integer, again an integer, multiply 1 with a rational number, again same rational number, 1 is called as multiplicative identity for the whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Again, this is what the role of 1. Next, one more we'll learn here, one more topic here that is important related to this chapter. Negative of a number. Negative of a number. Negative of a number. See here. In this, suppose 5 is a number, its negative is -5. Then -8 is a number, its negative is +8. Okay? And -2/7 is a rational number, its negative is +2/7. Then -5/8 is a rational number, its negative is 5/8. That means reverse of those in the sign, they are negative of a number. So negative of additive inverse. This negative or one more word for this is negative or these are called as additive inverse. These are called additive inverse also. How to find out this additive inverse? See, suppose 5, when we add this number and a negative of this number, 5 plus -5 must be 0. Yes. Then only we call it as -5 is negative of +5. Then -2/7 plus of 2/7. When we add these two, we have to get 0. Yes, we will get. Such numbers are called as additive inverse. Here 2/7 is additive inverse of -2/7. -5 is additive inverse of 5. Here 8 is additive inverse of -8. This is what negative of a number. These are very, very important and useful also. The same way next we learn reciprocal. Reciprocal. See, this is important, negative or additive inverse. Reciprocal means, see here, suppose 5 is a number, its reciprocal is 1/5. -6 is a number, its reciprocal is -1/6. -2/7 is a number, its reciprocal is -7/2. Then 5/9, its reciprocal is not minus here, 9/5. How to judge it? See, multiplication of these two must be 1. See here, 5 into 1/5. 5 I got cancelled, 1. Then -6 into -1/6. Minus into minus plus 6 got cancelled, answer is 1. When we add here, we get 0. Here, when we multiply these two, we get 1. If we get 1 now, then 1/5 is reciprocal of 5. -1/6 is reciprocal of -6. -7/2 is reciprocal of -2/7. 9/5 is reciprocal of 5/9. Here, in the additive inverse, sign will change. Here, reciprocal. Numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. This is what all about the role of 0, role of 1, negative of a number and reciprocal. Just if you want, we can copy it. Okay students, the last property is distributivity. Distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. This is also very important. We will see now what is that distributivity. Okay. First for one whole numbers I will show you. See, 5 into distributivity of multiplication over addition means 3 plus 6. This is distributivity of multiplication over addition it is. Okay, how does it work? See, now this is equal to, this multiplication concern to both of the numbers inside the bracket. Okay, so 5 into 3 plus 5 into 6. So 5 3s are 15, here 5 6s are 30, this is 45, this is RHS. Now according to this we will see 6 plus 3 9, 9 5s are 45. See, 5 into 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 5s are 45. See, LHS equal to RHS. This is what? Distributivity of multiplication over addition I have shown you. This is what for the whole numbers I have done. The same way this is for rational numbers, even integers also can be done. Now we will see for the whole numbers. Whole numbers. Minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. These are the three rational numbers. How to do this one for the addition? Multiplication over addition. See, minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. This bracket you can take it as big bracket because already here common bracket is there. Now this is LHS. Okay, what is this? LHS this is. Now is equal to minus 3 by 4 into, first what we will do? 2 by 3, this into this, plus minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6, minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6. Now see, 3 got cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are, answer is minus 1 by 2 for this, plus 3 1s are 3 2s are, minus into minus plus 5 by 8, 5 by 8. Now LCM is 8, here 2 4s are 8 1s are, minus 4 plus 5, this is nothing but 1 by 8 is the answer. So this is what? Multiplication over addition. Multiplication over, see, the same way we will get for the LHS also. Now what we have done, this is LHS. Now the same, this is RHS, we can do for the LHS also. What it is LHS? 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus into bracket minus 5 by 6. See here, directly we can do minus 3 by 4 into, inside here 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6, minus 3 by 4 into, here LCM is 6, 3 1s, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are, so 4 minus 5, minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are, minus into minus plus 1 by 8. See here, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. This is what? LHS and this is RHS. So the same way, distributivity means this first factor or the first number is distributing to the both of the numbers to the insides. Here in between that it may be plus or minus. This is what? Distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. This will be useful in solving the problems. So this in general, how can we write? For all the rational numbers ABC, for all numbers A, B, C, A into bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus BC, or this is equal to AB plus AC. Then A into bracket B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C is equal to AB minus AC. This also you can copy. See here. Now I am solving exercise 2.1. Each main 1 or 2 I will do. Remaining all you can solve. I send this exercise in the video. You can solve remaining all the questions. The first one is seen here. Find minus 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Just first we will simplify it. 3 got cancelled. Here multiplication is there. So we can cancel it. Minus 2 by 5 remained here. 5 by 2 as it is here. 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 5 twos are 10 remained. Now LCM of these 3, 5 to 10 is 10. So 5 twos are 2, 5s are 10 ones are minus 4 plus 25 minus 1. So this is 25 minus 5 divided by 10. So this is 20 by 10. Answer is 2. So the same way, second one is there. You can do it. I will give you that. Next, write the additive inverse of the following. Second one is write the additive inverse. What is that? First one is 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is additive inverse means minus 2 by 8. Minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9 means plus 5 by 9. Then minus 6 by minus 5. Minus 6 by minus 5. Minus divided by minus plus. That is 6 by 5 it is plus 6 by 5. That is minus 6 by 5. 2 by minus 9. 2 by minus 9 is nothing but minus 2 by 9. That is plus 2 by 9 is the additive inverse. Then fifth one is 19 by minus 6. This is nothing but minus 19 by 6. The additive inverse of this is 19 by 6. Like this we can write the additive inverse. Then verify. The next main is verify. One I will do. Next you can do. Verify that minus of minus x is equal to x. For first one is x equal to 11 by 15. See here. What is that? Given x minus into bracket minus x. Here what is x? X is 11 by 15 minus of minus 11 by 15 is equal to minus into minus plus 11 by 15. So here we can verify minus of minus 11 by 15 is equal to 11 by 15. This is what? Verification. Same way you can do for the next one also. Find the multiplicative inverse. This is third main. Find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse. See here. Here sign will not change. Minus 13 means multiplicative inverse means nothing but it is reciprocal. Minus 1 by 13. This is nothing but minus 13 by 1. Reciprocal means minus 1 by 13. Sign remains same. 13 will become change. 13 will become 1 by 13. Then second one, minus 13 by 19. This is nothing but minus 19 by 13. Minus 19 by 13. Next, third one, 1 by 5 is nothing but 5 by 1. Or this is nothing but 5 also you can write. Next, fourth one, minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. See how to do? Minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15. 7 8s are 56. Then its reciprocal is 56 by 15. Like this you have to do. Fifth one. Fifth one, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. See here, minus into minus plus, 1 2s are 2 by 5. Multiplicative inverse is 5 by 2. Then sixth one is also there, only one is remained. So sixth one is minus 1. Then it's minus 1 only. Always it remains the same. Then remaining, name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Fifth main. Fifth main. First one, minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Which identity is used here? See, minus 4 by 5 into 1. 1 into minus 4 by 5. Commutative property for multiplication. Commutativity. What is this? Commutativity. Commutativity for multiplication. Commutativity for multiplication. Then same remaining all you have to do second and third. Then sixth main. Sixth main, multiply 6 by 13 by 6 by 13 by minus 7 by 16. Minus 7 by 16. This is sixth one. Directly just we have to multiply. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal. By the 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. See here, 6 by 13. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? Minus 16 by 7. Then 16 6 are 96 plus into minus 96. Then 13 7s are 91. This is the answer. In this way you have to do. Then seventh main, if you want you can copy this. Okay, seventh one. See, this is seventh problem. You have to say the property. What property? See, observe here. 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Three numbers arranged in a different way. That is associativity. This is which property? Associativity. Associativity for multiplication. For multiplication. Just we have to say the property here. Next, eighth main. Is 8 by 9 multiplicative inverse of, is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 integer 1 by 8. So, if it is there, we have to give the reason, yes or no. We will see. See, this is 8 by 9. See, minus 1 integer 1 by 8 is equal to 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Minus 9 by 8. Minus 9 by 8. See, if it is multiplicative inverse means multiplication of these two must be 1. We will see. 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8. Cancel, okay, but we will get the minus 1. So, what we have to write? No, because the product is not. No. Minus 1 integer 1 by 8 is not multiplicative inverse of inverse of 8 by 9 because product of those two is not 1. The same way, the 9th main you have to do 10th and 11th on the explanation points you might have been copied. You can do it and finish that one. This is what the exercise you have to solve. The full exercise I will send with this. Okay. See students, this is exercise 2.1. You solve this all the questions whichever I left here. Each main one I have done. Remaining all full you have to solve, including 10th and 11th main also, and complete this exercise. In the next session I will come in with the next topic of the rational numbers. Thank you children. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.